My name is Christina Blake. I came here today to just dress, and while I was going, a lady stopped us, and I recognize her because I see her alongside every time I come. While she was there, we went further up, and she pretended like she was on her phone. And she gained my trust enough. My hands were tired. So I allowed her to, God, to hold my child. She told me that she will soon be back, and she's not back with my baby. I am just pleading, asking for any assistance. To get my baby girl back to me. I'm asking anybody out there who has a heart and who is a mother and who knows my pain. Just to get my child back to me. I'm just asking. I am pleading. Please. She's just 11 days old. I'm just asking anyone out there who has a heart and who is a mother and who knows my pain. I just want my baby girl back. I don't want anything else but her back. And I'm asking anybody for your assistance to contact the police. I am just pleading, begging.
This is the first time you've seen that woman?
Seen her around here, back and forth.